What's up, everyone? My name is Gio, and welcome to the Nom Chop Kitchen. Today we're gonna be doing some pesto, extra thick. Thick with two C's. Let's find out how to do it. Alright, we got thick pesto on the menu today. Alright, first off, we're gonna start off with the ingredients. There we go, all fresh and yummy. Alright, here we go. You got 2 cups of basil, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a third cup, I use walnuts, 3 large garlic cloves minced, you got a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of pepper. I mix them in a bowl. You're gonna wanna get your food processor, throw in your basil. There we go. Throw in your pine nuts or your walnuts. We use walnuts. Next up is gonna be the minced garlic. That goes in the food processor as well. There I am scooping up every little piece of that delicious garlic. There goes your salt and your pepper. So you mix all that in, throw it in your food processor. Blend it up. Blend it. Just blend it. Alright, check on it. There we go. Add your Parmesan cheese next. We're going to give that a good blend too. Cap back on. Food process. Bum, bum, bum. Alright. You're going to want to scrape the sides a bit. Now we're going to drizzle in a little bit at a time some olive oil. If you have a food processor that you could blend while you're drizzling, perfect. If not, do what I did. Just a little bit at a time. Blend, blend, blend. And keep adding until you add all the olive oil. Alright, there we go. That should have been the last of the olive oil. Give it a quick blend. Look at that. Extra thick. Alright, in case you want it a little bit smoother, not as thick, a little bit saucier, you can go ahead and add an extra couple of tablespoons of olive oil like I do here. And then go ahead, cap it off, and blend it again. There you go. Once you're done, you're done. Look at that. Oof. Delicioso. Thank you.